Hi guys, today I want to talk to you about our fencing systems that we have here on the homestead. So, welcome newbies and subscribers. You guys are awesome. I love y'all. Here's a video on the fencing systems that we have set up right now for our pasture. Hi, this is Go Mama. How are you guys today? I hope you guys are doing good. I'm doing really good today. Excuse me. I want to talk about our fencing systems a little bit. So we have the mesh fencing here for the goats. Of course, they have their goat condo. Yep, that is the goat condo that we pulled down here to the pasture area. Now, they've been on this for a couple of weeks, so we're going to have to move them here shortly. But we put two, one is Premier, one is another fencing setup that we got from Ken Cove. I believe it's from Ken Cove. If I'm not mistaken, I'll ask my husband if that's the case. But so we've got two fencing systems hooked up here. I did buy a gate from Premier One fencing. It works absolutely wonderful. We love it. I would suggest it if you have your goats out into the pasture. Okay, got very nice hookup and in and out system to get to the goats. So here is our solar setup. Now my husband bought this cart, put a board on it, screwed the board in, if you can see that. I'll turn you around here so you guys can see all of the screws. The solar works wonderful for us, and it charges the battery. Ken Cove gave us we bought the whole system set up. We had to buy the battery. It is all hooked up, hot wired to the battery, and the solar charges the battery. Now, obviously, if y'all do this, setups, y'all know that that's what happens. Now, we did have some issues with the Ken Cove. We did have to take it back, send it back. They were wonderful about it. They sent us a new system. We hooked it up, and we've not had any other problems with it. So the battery actually goes on this, on the bottom, and it's actually portable. So we can actually move this right around anywhere we have to go, okay? Or anywhere our setup is. We have the ground right here. It just locks right in. There's a little stabilizer there, and you just pound it right in, and it's so easy, guys. Hey, girls out there, for me, it was wonderful because I didn't have to pound it in with a sledgehammer. Usually you have to pound it in with sledgehammers. So for me, it was absolutely great. So there is our setup for the goats. We move the goats probably every other week to a month. So our pasture setup, actually, we'll flip this, move them to the next pasture site, and then we'll just keep going. Flip it and move this whole section to the next pasture site. Okay? With our pig setup is a little bit different. We have the poly wire here. Now, a gate going in. So here's our gate setup, and I can just take this right off, pop this right here, and put it over to the side when I need to go in. For safety reasons, we don't want the pig to get out, because if that pig gets out, we're in big trouble. And then I can just step right over it, okay? 3-wire system, poly wire system. My husband made this so that we could put the poly wire right up on this. Okay, so this system, we do have to recharge this battery. It is not solar powered, but it's great. This is another solar power system that my husband did get. We've had it just for this occasion because we knew we were going to expand. It does take a little bit more work. He's got the wire system all set up for the voltage. This is actually charging at, I forgot to tell you guys, this is charging at 7,000 volts. Okay, at the end of the line. So the line starts there. This is the end of the line. It's at 7,000 volts, guys. So our netting for the goats is actually charging at 4,000 volts to 5,000 volts at the end of the line. Okay. So let's walk over here. We do still have some goats at the barn because we do not have any more shelters for them. We will be building shelters for them to get out to pasture. But they are totally outside in their paddocks. We just set up this system for the little ones. Now the little ones are trying to get through here. This is a 7-string system that we set up. We're gonna put the cow in here to get him used to hot wire. I believe this is a 7-tier system. It is a fabric wire that goes around. It actually goes around this pasture area. It is older and it is not doing as well, but right now it's shooting out at 4,000 volts. So here we have it hooked up here. And it goes all the way around, and we have a door right here so that we can get in and out. I gotta watch these wires. I told my husband, you know what, that little wire there is gonna be the death of me. You know, the string that is holding this up. I said, I've got to paint it orange because Mama's going to forget it's there and then not see it. And I'm going to fall and break my neck. So this is actually hooked up to another system here, hot wired, to the system inside our barn here. And then my husband just took some more and just went right down. So we have reused the fabric wire from the pasture area that it was supposed to be in. So guys, this is our system for right now. Guys, have a great day. Like, subscribe, and hit that little bell. Toodles!